something fun to do. Bowls and spoons are on the table, colors bright and feeling able. What are we making? Can you guess? A rainbow cake? Oh yes, oh yes. First, let's begin. Pour the flour gently in. Soft and white, don't spill the floor. Cooking fun, let's add some more. Second, crack the eggs. 1, 2, tap them on the edge. Crack them slow and crack with care. Little chefs are everywhere. Third, stir around. Round and round, what a sound. Mix it smooth and mix it slow. Watch our happy batter glow. Red and yellow, green and blue. Purple, orange colors too. Drip, 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 the colors play. Rainbow cake is on the way. Oops, a spill upon the side. That's okay, we smile with pride. Friends help friends and say it's fine. Kind words make our hearts all shine. Being friendly, being kind. Happy feelings we can find. Helping hands and caring hearts. That's how every friendship starts. In the oven, in it goes. Close the door and tiptoe toes. Tick-tock waiting patiently. Good things come when we agree. While we wait, let's sing a song. Clap together, hum along. Waiting can be fun, you see. Patience helps us happily. Ding, ding, listen, hear that sound. Rainbow cake is safe and sound. Fluffy, yummy, warm and bright. What a joyful, tasty sight. Knock, knock, who is at the door? A brand new friend we haven't met before. Hello, hello, we wave and say, smiling in a friendly way. Would you like a piece to try? Sharing makes our spirits fly. One for you and one for me. Sharing cake happily. Crunch and munch and giggle too. Everything is better with you. Friends together, side by side. Sharing fills our hearts with pride.